Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how you can replace the power steering pressure hose on a 2005 Saab 95. You have the new one on your left and the old one on the right that's snapped. This is the tools that we most gonna use at 22 and at 3/4. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the car. I did lift both sides of the car on the front, but you don't need to do that. If you just lift up the left side of your car, or should I say the passenger side, so you can have access to this area over here. You're gonna hook up the hose over to this second part of the pressure hose right there, okay? So this nut right there, that one, that's a 3/4. You're gonna need that, and then the new one is gonna come to this side, and that one you're gonna need a 22 so you can hold it while you tighten this in. Okay, so just underneath you only need access to this area right here, which is your passenger side of the car. Now we are on top of the cart, and the other end of the hose, it's gonna be underneath there, okay, all the way in there. After that hose, those two hoses, that's where it's gonna be. So in order to get there, so what I did here is that I removed this from here. It has two bolts, one here and one here, and this is attached over here, but if you push it right out, it'll work. Okay, and then I hooked some hoses here so I can have clear access for that pressure hose, which is right down there. And also I did remove the air intake. This is the throttle body to get more access. All set, the new nut is in place right there. Just use a 22 wrench. Thought it was 23, but it's 22, and you got it. Now we have the other end in, and that's pretty much it. That's how you do it.